Namaskar. Today I am going to show you how I modify the pH value of the plant soil so that it is able to yield lot of flowers. The simplest way I follow is using alum, or in Marathi it is called turti, in Gujarati it is called fatakdi, very commonly available anywhere in the grocery shop. The first step is to get a good quality pH meter. So this is my pH meter. This is a simple button cell operated pH meter, and what I'm going to do now is check the pH value of my existing water garden. This is the way I insert my pH meter inside water, and I actually move it so that it is able to get the average water pH value. This is how I move it, and now you can see the reading of the meter. Is close to 7.7, 7.6, okay, which is very much towards alkaline side. Here is alum powder. I have ground the alum and made it into powder form, and I'll add approximately quarter teaspoon step by step so that I am able to regulate the pH value to about 10 liters of water. And now I am going to stir it. Stir it enough, let it settle for a while, and then we are going to recheck the pH value. Now let me check the pH value. Again the same process, I will move it a little bit so that I get the average pH value, and let us now see the actual pH. Can you see this now? Is about 4.4, right? Okay. The actual pH value plants require for good flowering is between 5 and 6. So typically 5.6. Now my water is about 4.4, and this is the water I am going to use. The simple reason is that I am going to put this only once a week or once in 2 weeks. Rest of the time I am going to use the normal garden water. And one more tip I want to give you is the garden water which comes is your tap water, and that contains a lot of chlorine. So it's a good idea to fill a drum or a bucket and leave it that way overnight so that the chlorine content is reduced, and then use it. Over a period of time, the pH value of the soil will get regulated up to 5.5, which is the most ideal for flowering. A good practice is to stop watering the plant one day before applying this water, and typically for a small size plant use about 500 ml. For a medium and large size plant about 750 or 800 ml. I'm going to show you how I water my plant. This is the way I use a small can. Don't stress yourself with measuring exact 500 ml or 750 ml. You can average it out, doesn't matter. So this plant I'm going to put little more. I love this plant. This is how I am able to get more and more flowers, and that's why I am able to post a lot of beautiful pictures of my garden. Hope you like this video. Do give me your feedback. Thank you.